we are on our way to Cub Camp. Christian's in the back there getting ready to watch some Mickey and the Roadster Racers. Is that what you got on your tablet? Yeah. Yep. So we are driving. We got about 2 hours and 20 minutes until we get there. So we're super excited to go camp with Pack 22, right? We're gonna have a super fun time. Christian's gonna try and shoot the line again at BB guns, right? Get another bonus bead. So we hope you enjoy this ride with us.
I might not, because when I got it, it was the first time on Scout to West in the boat.
Yeah, for that den leader. So we'll see you guys on the trails. All right, so we just got here a little bit ago. We got our tent set up, and
I got my one tent. It's a Wonderland set up.
Yeah, he got his Winter Wonderland all set up. Then we were helping out with the rest of the pack, getting them all ready to go. So that is our tent back there. We're next to another tiger. We're gonna hang out. I think some of the other families brought some food to cook, so we're gonna help out. Probably start a fire here in a little bit and keep going. So more to come. Morning. So we kind of missed breakfast, but well, filming breakfast, we definitely did not miss breakfast. What do we have for breakfast, Christian? Hey.
What? Burritos.
Breakfast burritos. Yep. Let's keep our pole over here. Okay. So what are we doing right now?
Fishing.
We are fishing. Yep. We're fishing, and the water looks really, really cool. So we're gonna get on over to some other activities here in a little bit. I'm being roped by a Christian. Oh no! He got me. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
This rock, guys. This rock, guys. Go around that tree. Go, Miss Joanna. Go, 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 go. Come on, final race, final race, final race. All the way to them. Up you go. He does. Oh my goodness. It's also the highest they've gone, so.
Yeah. Get you, scoot back. Okay, guys.
Let him down.
Okay, back up. out, look out!
We're all right here. And you
Oh my gosh, you were
Y'all see that? The arrows help me steer the drone, so when I want to move it, we'll go back out. So I can move it a little bit. That's why I had to calm down.
And also, if there are any bad chemicals, you can make it go in there to see